CovePure Countertop Water Filter is SGS tested for heavy metals, bacteria, and fluoride, while also offering instant hot water on demand for making beverages. But it comes with a high upfront cost, and the internal cooling fan can get noticeably noisy in quiet kitchens. So in this video, we're going to analyze CovePure Countertop Filter on contaminant removal, water flow rate, and ease of usage to find out if it's really worth your money. You'll find links to all the exclusive discounts in the description below. First up, contaminant removal. CovePure CP-16 uses a 3-stage reverse osmosis-based filtration system. The first stage is a 5-micron PP cotton sediment filter that captures visible particles like rust, sand, and suspended solids. The second stage is a 1-micron activated carbon block that targets excess chlorine and volatile organic compounds. The third stage is the reverse osmosis membrane, which removes heavy metals like lead, fluoride, PFAS, and bacteria. This is backed by SGS testing against NSF 42, 53, and 58 standards, which are confirmed by independent customer tests. Customers also confirm that beverages like coffee and tea tasted noticeably better after switching to the CP-16. You also get an alkalinizing filter that reintroduces trace minerals to improve taste. That said, this system should only be used with municipal or pre-treated well water, as high hardness or iron can damage the RO membrane. Next up, water flow rate and design. CovePure is rated for 100 gallons per day and fills its detachable 0.48-gallon pitcher in 5 minutes. One of the standout features here is instant temperature control. The unit can dispense from 50-degree cold water to 212-degree hot water, making it useful for making beverages. The system runs at a 4:1 pure-to-waste water ratio, meaning for every 4 gallons of water purified, 1 gallon goes down the drain. It uses a 1.32-gallon internal tank to store purified water and recirculates a small portion of wastewater during each cycle, reducing how often you need to refill the rear reservoir. Design-wise, the unit is compact and modern, but refilling the back tank requires turning the entire machine around each time, which can be inconvenient on tight countertops. Some customers have found the cooling fan to be a bit noisy, so do keep that in mind. Next, let's head over to ease of installation. Setting up CovePure is simple with no plumbing modifications. You also get a detailed installation video for guidance. Each filter needs to be pushed down and twisted fully to the right until the arrows align with the word close on the machine. As soon as the unit is plugged in, it begins an automatic filter flush. You should activate the cleansing mode and fully empty the internal pitcher at least 2 more times for smooth functioning of the system. The unit also displays both raw water and purified water (TDS) on the screen. Filter life is shown using bar indicators, starting with 4 bars when new and gradually decreasing as the filters are used. When it's time for a replacement, a red change filter alert lights up, so it's easy to monitor lifespan. With that, let's analyze ease of maintenance. There are 2 main filters to replace: the PCB filter and the RO membrane. Assuming your incoming water TDS falls somewhere between 300 and 800, the PCB filter will need replacement every 4.5 months, while the RO membrane should last about 18 months. This works out to an annual replacement cost of around $123, which is reasonable. Filter replacement itself is a simple twist-and-turn process, but after changing filters, you do need to run 3 full cleansing cycles again to properly rinse the system. Finally, let's head over to customer support and warranty. CovePure offers a 1-year limited warranty along with a 30-day money-back guarantee, which provides some peace of mind. Customer support is generally helpful, whether it is shipping concerns or troubleshooting questions. So overall, CovePure Countertop Water Filter is well-designed and efficient to remove most bad stuff, like excess chlorine or heavy metals. And you get the convenience of instant hot and cold water on demand. But if you're looking for more budget-friendly options with similar performance, check out WaterDrop K19 in the video linked here.